Hey friends, if you encounter the error to run this application you must need to install .NET Core, then please watch this video. Now the .NET Core is usually installed on the system by default, but it has to be enabled. Now it's also enabled by default, but still you can check. So search for Windows features in the Windows search bar and click on Windows features on or off. Turn Windows features on or off. Now expand this for .NET Framework and just uncheck, just check all the sub boxes. Click on OK and it will start searching for required files, and finally it will start applying the changes. The next solution is a clean boot. Okay, search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, okay, and then restart your computer. After this, you can repair, reset and reinstall the app. Let's say that the issue is with the camera app. So search for it and click on app settings in the right pane. Scroll down and terminate the process first. After that, repair it. Click on reset and then click on reset once again. Select uninstall and then click on uninstall to remove the app. After that, you can reinstall it. How would you do that? Open the Microsoft Store, search for the app, like in this case it is the camera app, but whichever app it is, go to that apps page and then click on install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.